Dear Mom and Dad, I love you. I love you so much. I love you with all my heart. The letter to you is to tell you my true feelings from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for bringing me up. Thank you so much for raising me. I know how hard you worked during the past year. I can imagine how many difficulties and obstacles you conquered. I can imagine all the problems you have faced and all the sweat and tears you have shed to make my life better. You can fully understand with a huge responsibility is each day tried. You've been very patient with me. You will encourage me and you will help me. You will you will try your um, you will try your hardest to give me the best thing in life. You will make a lot of sacrifice and many difficult choices.